In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the MX records from your Google Admin Console setup screen and add them to Hostinger. To get started, open your Google Admin Console and go to the setup screen where your MX records are displayed. These records are what tell your domain where to receive email, so it's important to enter them exactly as shown. Keep this page open because you'll need to refer back to it while making changes in Hostinger. Next, open a separate browser tab and log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Using a second tab makes the process much easier, since you can quickly switch between the Google setup screen and your DNS settings without losing your place. Once you're inside Hostinger, look for the section where your domain settings are managed. From there, go to Advanced and then open DNS Zone Editor. This is the area where your domain's DNS records are stored and where you can update the records that control your email delivery. Take a moment here to make sure you are editing the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one. Now, find the MX records table. Before adding the Google records, you need to remove any existing MX records that are not from Google. This step is important because if old or conflicting MX records remain in place, your email may be routed incorrectly. Carefully review the list and delete all non-Google MX records from the table. If you already see Google MX records and they match the setup screen, be careful not to remove the correct entries by mistake. Once the old non-Google records are cleared out, begin adding the new Google MX records exactly as they appear in your Google Admin Console. Pay close attention to the priority values, record names, and mail server addresses. Even a small typo can prevent email from working properly, so accuracy matters here. Enter each record one by one, and after everything is filled in, click Save. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect immediately. In some cases, the update can begin working fairly quickly, but it may also take some time to fully propagate. During that period, email delivery can be inconsistent, so don't worry if the change is not instant. That's it. Once your new Google MX records are saved in Hostinger, your domain is set up to route email through Google.